Well, we just got kicked out. Oops. Totally worth it. All right, guys.
What's up, guys? How we doing?
We are canal fishing with these guys right here.
Island life fishing, baby.
Island life fishing. Sorry for the vehicle noise. We are literally right beside a highway.
Yeah, all kind of cars.
We just stopped by these guys' favorite tackle shop.
Bite Me Bait Shack, guys.
Bite Me Bait Shack. Hope you can see that.
The nice shiners.
The target today is Peacock Bass. I got a pretty good feeling we're gonna get one, and hopefully we can get on a few other species as well. So let's get fishing.
Let's do it. Oh, peacock. Bring the thing up. Oh yeah, look, she's got a fry ball. She's got a fry ball. You see it right there?
Yeah, I can see him.
Yep, pull it up. If you put that shiner right on him, it's gonna bother it. There's a can right there and have a fry ball. Throw it literally right on top of it. Alright, I'll let it drop. She's already looking at it. Good. Let's go. Pop it one time. Oh! Got it. Got him!
Fish on!
Nice, dude. Alright, is that the first pea for Karen?
Alright, guys, that is my first peacock.
First peacock. Nice fish, dude.
Pull the hook through.
Yeah. Cool, man.
Alright, guys, that is my first peacock. Beautiful.
Yeah, man, nice work. Dude, that's a G-Money strong fish. Brandon, get the...
Beautiful colors.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's get the thing, bro.
That is beautiful. See if we can get the lights, the colors right. Look at that.
Yeah, beautiful, dude. Nice work, bro.
Thanks, dude.
Fishing for a couple minutes, huh? Heck yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Woo! Hell yeah, bro. All right, man.
Wow.
That's
Okay,
right.
we'll get a few pictures.
Yeah, there you go.
So we got... Take it easy, bud. Just a second. Just a second.
They never do quit, dude.
2.2.
Here, let me see that.
No, what do we got?
2 point.
We'll say straight at 2.
It just
Straight
locked at 2.
Pulling it 2, baby.
Look at that
All right.
thumb. Wow. All right, guys, we'll put them right back where we got them. My first peacock bass. Here you go, buddy. Make sure you. There he goes.
There he goes.
Wow.
Yeah, they'll get you, bro.
You're gonna have a lot more than that today.
Oh, he's got a big old head. Big skinny girl. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
It's a nice.
All right, guys, I got a pretty nice bass. This is probably my PB largemouth, actually. Get him, get him. Shoot, are you hooked?
No, I almost was. Yeah, sorry about that, man. Cool.
Dude, was that in your arm?
No, it was a little bit, yeah, but I took it out.
Oh, yeah. Sorry about that.
Damn.
That was a nice sized bass, guys.
Yeah, it's probably like an 18. She's still sitting right there. Was she eating again?
A few pounds anyways. No, that thing's not gonna eat again.
That was like 3 pounds.
What?
Hey, way back here, there's a big male. They're on a bed right there. See him up there?
Yep.
Nice,
all right.
Nice male. Reel it up to him. He sees it. He's coming. Reel it a little more. I don't think it's close enough to him. Oh wait, he's coming. He's coming. Oh no. Wait, is he still chasing it? Yeah, he's still chasing it. It's just too far from him. Put it on him again. He's fired up, dude. Put it right on him, right on him. Look at the size of that knot on his head. Holy. Drop it right there. Right there, dude.
Oh, the minnow just went swam away.
That's a nice size one right there. Here it comes.
Okay. Okay, I want this thing to eat on camera so bad. Just can't move, otherwise we're gonna scare him. They're not on fry. Huh?
Won't do anything. Bigger one.
There's a bigger one.
Bigger
Oh,
one. They're in the process of spawning. That's why. It's a hunter. He's like. He's
If you
definitely
get
bigger.
them, if you get them,
there's
like,
2 big males there.
yeah, big fish, dude.
Yeah, that was a nice one. Like a 3-4 pounder. They're both like 3-4 pounders. He almost ate it, like literally right at our feet.
If he eats it, let him eat. Oh.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. That
It's
was
coming back,
wicked.
dude. It's coming back. Try to put that thing on the bottom.
He's facing out.
Stupid minnow won't go down.
He's sitting right on that rock pile.
Yeah, I know.
Get you a new minnow.
He's moving, but he knows that they're down there.
Here, take that one off. Get it off. Yeah, I'll get you a bigger one. Take that one off. Take that one off. Throw that guy back. I have a bigger one here.
Can we just throw him in?
Yeah.
Wait, yeah.
Yeah.
Smash him a little so he'll go down. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, there's that other big one. He
Oh, that one's
chased him off.
hunting.
That one's hunting.
Okay, I thought I popped the ear butter. Yeah, we did.
As long as the red is blinking, it's on, right?
Yep.
Okay. I turned it off again. And
That's fine.
Did you get that on camera when he came up to the bank?
yeah.
That was awesome. That was on it. That was so big, dude. Nice fish right there. That knot is so funny. Pull him up.
Oh, he's gone now.
Yeah. He's actually getting back up close to the bank. So I think right on the bank. That's really shallow. Nice. That was perfect.
I don't want you.
No. We want your big brother. Actually, no, your husband, I should say.
Oh wow, look, he's right shallow.
He was waking up there. What was he doing? Oh, he was chasing something around almost. No, not you. Get out of here. Oh, you just saw it. Oh, she got it. Oh, wait.
There we go. Oh, come on.
That's wicked.
The little sucker got himself hung up.
That's wicked. Oh, put it right there. Right there on.
You gotta be kidding me.
Keep at it. Keep at it. Oh my gosh, dude. It's way too much fun messing around with these fish.
That female, I didn't set the hook and then it came back out of her
That was
mouth.
perfect. You did perfect there, dude. Because when the female gets fired up, the male gets fired up. Look, see that? Jeez.
That male is beautiful.
Pissed off. He's gorgeous, dude. Look at those colors. Oh, his hair is so pretty. It's crazy.
That's the female, right?
Yeah, it's female. He's coming right here. He's trying to get her to spawn is what he's trying to do. That's why he keeps rubbing up.
This minnow knows what he's doing.
Yeah, he does. Go a little farther, maybe he'll go deeper. Oh, that's pretty
He's looking. Dang, these things are frustrating.
Yeah. The best chance at them is when they come up shallow. If you leave them out there far and then pull them toward you a little bit. Look at that. Look at
It's okay, cat. I mean, you can catch her if you want.
She's coming after me.
Oh! Come on, spin it.
You have to like go tight a little bit.
You got her?
Spit it.
I'm trying to let her spit it.
It's still a nice fish.
You're gonna have to catch that one.
Brandon, get together, shiner ready. The male will eat. He's super pissed.
Well, guys, I just hope she didn't swallow it. I'm letting her have it that long. Yep, she did. Shucks.
Swallowed it?
I think so.
It's okay. We'll just get another hook. She'll be okay. Here, you got it? Or you want me to... It's okay. I'll cut the hook. She'll be fine.
All right, guys, look at that beautiful, beautiful female peacock bass. Wow.
Beautiful fish, bro. Nice freaking work, dude. All right.
Oh, Darren.
Calm down, big boy. Oh, come on. He's been spawning, so he hasn't been eating too much.
Yeah.
What do we got? We got 3-4.
3-4 locked in.
3-4,
Okay.
nice fish.
3-4.
It's a great peacock. That's a pretty one too with that hump and stuff,
Yep.
man.
So we'll get the release on video.
All right.
Look at that beautiful fish, guys. Wow.
All right, let's get him in.
God dang. That's a nice one.
Nice healthy release.
Such a big hump on that guy.
And this is the female. What do we got here? So we got 2.1.
2.1. That's another one for
Not
Darren's
bad.
bag. You got 3 in your bag now, baby. Yeah. G Money strong. Spring
it.
bass open.
2 and a
That's
3.
right. Beautiful. We'll get the release.
It's a 2-pounder and a 3-pounder.
How you doing, sir?
Alright. Do you guys live here?
No, we're just visiting.
Awesome.
Can we not fish here?
Sorry?
Can we not fish here?
Yeah. It is private property, and there is a city code ordinance against fishing in lakes, canals, and... Sorry. Yep. All right, we're out of here. Thank you.
Thank you, officer. Thank you.
Well, we just got kicked out. Oops.
I have no idea how stable that is, so...
It's good.
There you go.
Fish on.
Got him. Oh gosh, that's pretty big.
There's a good ledge there. Oh yes,
Oh,
peacock.
Yeah, nice peacock. Oh, he flipped up. What are you doing? Oh, right here, right here. Oh, that's a female. There's probably a big male, dude. There's probably a big male.
Awesome, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful peacock. We'll put it back in.
Female, dude. There's 100% a giant male down there somewhere. We gotta get our shot
Let's
out
get
of
him on. All right.
Beautiful.
Beautiful little peacock.
It's so windy, I can't tell where the pair is, but that's the female. Now there, you saw how she had that black dorsal fin?
That didn't take long.
Dude, that black dorsal fin means that the male she was with was probably, like, it's probably giant.
Cool.
Got him.
Fish on.
Very nice, bro. Nice. Another one. Hell yeah. Dude. Just right there.
Another little female.
And like, you know what's really cool with the peacock bass is that
Awesome.
smaller the
Look at that,
female,
guys.
bigger the male. That's
Beautiful.
awesome.
Beautiful
little pea,
fish.
baby. All right.
Put her back. Fish on.
Got him?
Yep.
Oh, that's a bass. The largemouth. That's pretty interesting. Nice.
I got her.
Nice little largemouth there.
Well, beautiful little. That's my first Florida largemouth bass that I've actually been able to land.
Oh, nice.
All right, we'll put him back.
Sweet. That thing's fat, dude.
There you go.
Have a little gut on him.
You got another one of them minnows?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm sure we'll get one. I'm gonna step in the pit there.
Settle down. Settle down, little girl. 1 pound, 14 ounces.
You got it?
It's crazy, dude. I cannot believe we haven't seen that big man.
Check that out, guys. That is a beauty, beauty
Beautiful
fish.
peacock bass.
Wow.
Gotcha. Where'd you catch that one?
This is right
Straight out
here.
there?
I was over the ledge.
Oh,
Just
okay.
kind of like let it fall and just brought it, you know.
This big one has to be here somewhere, dude.
I know they're here, man.
We're catching like all the. You see that all these females have the black fish on them, right? Yeah. They're like, dude, like it's making me go crazy right now. They're all on beds. Like, where are the big males? They're somewhere here. This little spot definitely had fish on it.
I don't have to catch big ones.
Yeah,
I'm just
man.
happy catching fish.
Cool.
Yeah,
that's a good
that's
stuff.
I mean, if I do get a big one, like I said, you'll probably see me jumping around a
Yeah,
bit.
fantastic.
Oh no way! Yeah! Nice.
Another largie.
Heck yeah, that was a cool eat, dude.
We're gonna hook him in the mouth.
Came right up. There you go, Charles. He hooked him in the mouth.
Holla at your boy.
Holla at your boy. Look at that, guys. Another little baby largie. We'll put him back in.
He's gone. Into the pipe.
Got another one of the minners.
Alright, you guys, so we found this coconut tree here on the side of the lake. So we're gonna put this in the yard and we're gonna name it Darren's tree. Darren's not alive. Alright.
Any coconut that comes off that tree, we're mailing it to Darren. Be
Yeah.
ready. Lots of coconuts are coming.
Sounds good.
Coconuts come.
All right, that is an awesome Annington awesome day. We actually used up all of the shiners.
All of them.
5 dozen, which is crazy. That means we had some really good fishing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out Island Life Fishing. Check out their website. Check them out on YouTube.
Thank
and
you,
also the bait and tackle shop where we got all these stuff.
But buy me bait shack.
That's right. I will put links to everything in the description below. Hopefully I get everything put in the tournament in time, but I doubt it. But anyways, guys,
We'll give it a shot.
regardless.
yeah, we'll give it a shot. It was pretty cool catching my first peacock bass. I will see you guys in the next adventure. Have a good one.
See you guys later.
Bye.